Good morning, students. Welcome to our physics class. In this class, we are going to learn about multiple motion. In previous class, we have studied about different types of motions. They are translatory motion and also studied about circulatory motion, rotatory motion, oscillatory motion, vibratory motion, and periodic motion, non-periodic motion. You studied. Now this is different type, multiple motion. Here, what is multiple motion? If any body exhibits more than one type of motion, it's called multiple motion. Any body exhibit more than one type of motion called multiple motion. Examples: motion of the earth. Earth revolves around the sun in curved path, and also earth rotates itself in the same place. Earth rotates itself and also revolve around the sun. So here we can see two types of motions. One is rotation, another one is curvilinear. So this type of two types of motions are combined in the motion of earth. So that is why we can say earth is having multiple motion. Next, another example: drawing water from the well. When you draw the water from the well with the help of bucket and rope, what do you observe? When you are pulling the water from the well, the rope moves straight forward towards the up. When you are pulling rope, that is straight forward towards the up. And also when it reaches to the wheel or pulley, on the pulley you can observe the rope is rotating on the pulley. So here we can see the movement of the rope, two types. One is straight forward till reach that water to wheel. Once it reach wheel, it rotates. So we can see that rope is moving in two types, that is straight linear path and also rotatory path. Next one, good example is vehicle moving. When vehicle is moving in straight road, what you can observe? Vehicle is moving forward, and also you observe the tires rotates to the axle. Tires rotates and move forward. So we can observe two types of motions here: rotation of the tires, that is rotation. Next, and also move forward, that is linear motion or curved motion. So here multiple motions are observed in the vehicle: rotatory motion in the tire, and also forward motion means linear motion or curved motion, translatory motion. So this is the way we can say multiple motions. A good example for multiple motion. This is called rolling. Rolling means, for example, you see the roller. Roller rolls on the road, means the wheel rotates and move forward. This is called rolling. So this is called multiple motion. Next, driller. We make drilling to the holes, make the holes to the wall. So driller, driller. This is the driller. So here you can observe, when you are operating driller, it will rotate. The driller rotates and enter into wall. Rotates, and by rotating it enter into wall. So two types of motions you can observe: rotation and forward direction. So two types of move forward in straight line, and also rotation of the rotation motion. The driller rotates and move forward. Two types of motion. This is also mixed motion. So we can say multiple motion. Example, multiple motion. So rolling is multiple motion. Rolling means, already just now I told, any object rolls and move forward. Rolls and move forward. Example, roller, scooter, bicycle or car, anything you can say. Next, random motion. There is no particular path for the movement of the body. It will move in zigzag path, not curved path, not any straight path, any movement. It's a zigzag movement, no path. So this is called a body move irregular path, that is called random motion. Thank you for listening.